Hello guys. This time, I will make a text animation tutorial like this. Create compositions, add text, open the text arrow, add an animate with opacity and blur properties. At blur, set to 20 and opacity set to 0%. Open advanced, then change to ramp up and set ease low to 100%. Enable the offset keyframe with the start -100 and the next keyframe at 100. Then select the keyframe and easy ease, or with a shortcut on Windows, you can press F9. Create a second animator. Add tracking to the animate. Enable the tracking amount keyframe and set the first keyframe at 0 and the last 18. Then easy ease. Add another animator. In the third animator, set the blur property to 20 and the opacity to 0%. In the advanced section, change the shape to ramp down and ease low to 100%. Activate the offset keyframe at -100 and the next keyframe at 100. And easy ease or F9. Add the CC light sweep effect. Set light perception to composite. You can follow the other settings or adjust them yourself. Here I've duplicated the CC light sweep effect and changed the keyframe placement for the animation out. Next, click on the text layer, press S on your keyboard, and activate keyframes with the start keyframe at 80 and the end keyframe at 110. And easy ease or F9. That's it. I hope this helps. Sorry for any errors in wording or sentence structure. Thank you for watching.